suggestion is that we go to the FDA, take the good things that are in marijuana, bring them down to Schedule 2, just like they did with Santavex, Sesament, and Marinol, the first 3 marijuana products that they've done that, and run them through the system. 2 of them already got approved, and those vet doctors can hand that out.
A lot of people have this misconception that the pharmaceutical industry is altruistic and they're philanthropists and that they're, looking to heal the world. There couldn't be anything further from the truth. The pharmaceutical industry their vested interest is in making their stockholders money, because the pharmaceutical industry isn't in the business of health and healing. It's in the business of disease management and symptoms maintenance. And there the indoctrination goes right in. 75% of the time, statistics say that if they go in and request a drug, the doctor will give it to them because the doctor considers it his business and they are his customer.
We're trying to be rational, and we've been sold a bag of goods.
People think that because it's prescribed by a doctor, it's safe. And it's approved by the FDA, so it's safe. These are illusory impressions that the public has. And it's not true.
To get a drug approved, a company only has to submit 2 positive studies to the FDA showing that their drugs work better than a placebo. Not better than another drug already on the market, just better than a fake pill. Then, to make things easier on Pharma, they get to pick and choose which studies they submit. Meaning they could have 48 studies that say a drug is terrible and causes half the people who take it to grow tails.
Well, you did it again.
Gee, what a mess.
But as long as they produce 2 positive studies, the FDA approves the drugs and we get another bottle on our shelves.
Very frequently, companies would come and they'd throw down millions of dollars and say, run it until you get this result.
And what happens to the other 48 bad studies? They get filed away with the Ark of the Covenant in that warehouse from Indiana Jones.
The value in drugs these days depends on companies being able to hide the data and conjure up the idea that these drugs are worth more than they actually are.
The problem with people is that they don't want to take responsibility. So people have to be proactive and they have to start self-educating and be their own health advocate. If you don't speak up for you, no one is going to speak up for you.